Welcome to this video where we will be looking at a gem of Northern Ireland's eastern coast, the Ards Peninsula. With its stunning landscapes, rich history, and vibrant coastal communities, the Ards Peninsula offers a journey of discovery for nature lovers, history buffs, and foodies alike. Stretching between Strangford Lough and the Irish Sea, this area is renowned for its tranquility and cultural heritage. Let's embark on an adventure along the coast. Our journey begins at Orlock Point, a National Trust site known for its breathtaking views of the Irish Sea and the nearby Copeland Island. This area is a haven for wildlife, with seals, seabirds, and even the occasional dolphin making an appearance. The coastal path here is part of the North Down Coastal Path, offering spectacular scenery and a chance to glimpse World War II lookout posts, a reminder of the region's strategic importance in history. A short drive south brings us to the town of Donaghadee, a charming seaside town steeped in maritime history. Its iconic lighthouse, standing tall since 1836, is one of the oldest in Ireland, still in operation. Donaghadee was historically the main point of embarkation between Ireland and Scotland, and its harbour has been a bustling hub for centuries. Donaghadee is also home to Grace Neil's, one of the oldest pubs in Ireland, established in 1611, where you can enjoy hearty local cuisine alongside tales of the town's colourful past. Continuing along the coast, we arrive at Portavogie, Northern Ireland's largest fishing village. Renowned for its fresh seafood, this is the place to savour some of the finest prawns and haddock you'll ever taste. The village is known for its brightly coloured fishing boats and its long-standing traditions in sustainable fishing. Be sure to visit during the annual Portavogie Seafood Festival, a celebration of the area's maritime heritage and culinary delights, featuring live music, family activities, and, of course, delicious seafood. Next, we reach Portaferry, a vibrant town where you can hop aboard the Strangford ferry for a scenic crossing of Strangford Lough. The Lough is a marine nature reserve, teeming with biodiversity and offering opportunities for kayaking, paddle boarding, and wildlife watching. Portaferry is also home to Exploris Aquarium, which showcases local marine life and offers interactive experiences for visitors of all ages. On the other side lies Strangford. This charming village is steeped in history with its traditional cottages, ancient castles, and close proximity to iconic sites like Castle Ward, a National Trust property with an intriguing blend of architectural styles reflecting both Gothic and classical influences. The estate's role as Winterfell in HBO's Game of Thrones has made it a must-visit for fans of the series. Explore its gardens, take a guided tour, or join one of the themed experiences that bring history and fantasy to life. Whether exploring the scenic trails, enjoying a boat trip on the loch, or simply soaking in the peaceful atmosphere, Strangford is a hidden gem that captures the essence of County Down's beauty and heritage. Our journey concludes down the coast at Killard Nature Reserve. a tranquil haven where wildflowers bloom and migratory birds find sanctuary. This site is particularly stunning in spring and summer when the wildflower meadows are in full bloom. The reserve's unique position at the mouth of Strangford Lough makes it a key location for birdwatchers, with species such as Brent geese and lapwings frequently spotted. It's a peaceful spot to reflect on the Ards Peninsula's natural and cultural treasures. From the rugged coastline of Orlock Point to the serene landscapes of Killard, the Ards Peninsula offers a tapestry of experiences. Whether you're drawn by its history, cuisine, or natural wonders, this corner of Northern Ireland is sure to leave a lasting impression. Plan your adventure today. Visit Ards Peninsula and experience the magic for yourself.